A sneeze. Is it really just a cold symptom? Our bodies respond when something's wrong. They send signals, early warnings. But when we ignore them, we end up sick. That's the price of not listening. One of the most common illnesses, the common cold, often comes when we are low on water. Our body is made up of 70% water, and when we push ourselves too hard, physically or emotionally, we run dry. And when that happens, your body sends out a signal. A sneeze. A sneeze is not just a reaction to dust or viruses. It can mean something more. Hey, I need water. No one really teaches us this, but a sneeze can be a cry from your body. So when it comes, drink water right away, and handle both your body and mind with care.